Hello everyone, today we're gonna make spicy creamy baby corn masala. Let's begin by adding 2 cups water in a pan. To this I'm gonna add 100 grams baby corn roughly chopped and allow it to boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Drain the water using a strainer, but do not throw away the water, we'll use it while we make the gravy. Heat a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. To this we are going to add 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, add few curry leaves, 4 cloves of garlic and 2 green chillies. Saute for about 30 seconds. Add 1 onion roughly chopped. We don't have to finely chop the onions as we are going to grind them later. On low to medium heat, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions turn translucent. To this we are going to add 1 tomato roughly chopped. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes are well cooked. Add salt as required. After 3 minutes, you can see the tomatoes are well cooked. At this stage, add about 8 to 10 cashews. Add 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and a pinch of turmeric. Cook for about 2 minutes, turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Once cooled, transfer this to a mixie jar. We need to add about 1/4 cup of water to this. Add the water that we had used to boil the baby corn. Grind this to a smooth paste. Heat the pan again and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds and half teaspoon of mustard seeds and add the cooked baby corn to it. Saute for about a minute and add the masala that we grinded earlier. Add 1/4 cup of water to the mixie jar, give it a good mix and add the water to the pan. Cook for about 2 minutes on low to medium heat. At this stage, you can check the taste and add salt if required. We are adding about 3/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. This is completely optional. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Let it cook for a minute or two. Garnish with some coriander leaves and you can turn off the flame. This creamy, spicy baby corn masala is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching.